Hey there! Welcome to Prism Syntax, where I simplify coding concepts for developers at every level. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to brush up on the basics, you're in the right place. I'm Naved, and today we're diving into REST APIs, explained in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes to get a solid understanding of what REST APIs are and how they work. Let's get started. Think of a restaurant. You place an order with the waiter and they bring your food. It's a simple, everyday interaction that we all understand. The waiter is like an API, an intermediary that takes your request, retrieves what you need, and delivers it back. Just like the waiter, an API makes sure you get exactly what you asked for. An API, or Application Programming Interface, allows different software systems to communicate. It's like a bridge that connects two different worlds, enabling them to share information seamlessly. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is a popular way to design APIs. It's a set of rules that developers follow to create efficient and scalable APIs. Here's how it works. In REST, everything is treated as a resource, whether it's a book, a user, or a playlist. Each resource is a piece of data that can be accessed and manipulated. Each resource has a unique URL, just like a digital address. This URL is how you locate and interact with the resource. For example, in an online bookstore you could retrieve details about a specific book with a URL like https://bookstore.com/book/123. This URL points directly to the book's data. REST APIs let you perform actions on these resources using HTTP methods. These methods are the verbs of the web, telling the server what action to perform. Here are the big four get-fetch data, like looking up a book's details. It's the most common method and is used to retrieve information. Post, add data, like submitting a new book to the catalog. This method is used to create new resources. Put, update data, like editing the book's title. Use this method when you need to update an existing resource. Delete, remove data, like deleting a book from the database. This method is used to remove resources. Each method has a clear purpose, simple and logical. By using these methods, you can perform any action you need on a resource. Here's a quick example. Let's say you send a GET request to this URL https://libraryapi.com/book/1984. This request asks the server to provide information about the book, 1984. The server responds with data like this: ID, 1984, title, 1984, author, George Orwell, year 1949. This is how the server provides the exact data you requested. It's like getting a detailed response from the waiter. REST APIs are all about structuring these interactions cleanly and consistently. REST APIs are everywhere. They make it easy to build and maintain complex systems. They're easy to understand, language agnostic, and scalable. This means they can be used with any programming language and can grow with your needs. Most apps we use, like Uber, Netflix, or Spotify, are powered by REST APIs. These APIs allow these apps to function smoothly and provide a seamless user experience. They're the backbone of modern tech. Without REST APIs, the digital world as we know it wouldn't be possible. And that's REST APIs in just 3 minutes. I hope this quick overview has given you a clear understanding of what REST APIs are and how they work. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Prism Syntax for more concise coding tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and will do my best to answer all your queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy coding.